Now invite Father Belogi to make the oath of fidelity on assuming office.
I, Reverend James Belogi, on assuming the office of pastor, promise that I shall always preserve communion with the Catholic Church, whether in the words I speak or in the act. With great care and fidelity, I shall carry out the responsibilities by which I am bound in relation both to the universal church and to the particular church in which I am called to exercise my service according to the requirements of the law. In carrying out my charge, which is committed to me in the name of the church, I shall preserve the deposit of faith in its entirety, handed on faithfully, and make it shine forth. As a result, whatsoever teaching are contrary, I shall shun. I shall follow and foster the common discipline of the whole church, and shall look after the observance of all ecclesiastical law, especially those which are contained in the Code of Canon Law. With Christian obedience, I shall associate myself with what is expressed by the holy shepherds as authentic doctors and teachers of the faith, or established by them as the church's rulers. And I shall faithfully assist diocesan bishops so that apostolic activity to be exercised by mandate and in the name of the church is carried out in communion of the same church. My God, help me in this way, and the holy gospels of God, which I touch with my hands.
Your new pastor.
Just to give you some perspective, his first words to me were, "Sit."